Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to make a comforting and flavorful tomato soup using diced tomatoes. We'll start by gathering all our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 28-ounce cans of diced tomatoes, 1 medium onion and 2 cloves of garlic. Also have 4 cups of vegetable or chicken broth ready. Don't forget olive oil, dried basil, oregano, and a pinch of sugar. For a creamy finish, have about 1/2 cup of heavy cream or coconut milk on hand. Let's get cooking. Now let's build the flavor base for our soup. Begin by heating 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Once the oil is shimmering, add your 1 chopped medium onion. Sauté the onion, stirring occasionally, until it becomes soft and translucent, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Next, stir in your 2 minced garlic cloves and cook for just about 1 minute more until you can smell their wonderful aroma. This aromatic foundation is key to a rich soup. With our aromatics ready, it's time to add the main ingredients. Carefully pour in the 2 28-ounce cans of diced tomatoes, including all their juices. Then, add 4 cups of your chosen broth, 1 teaspoon of dried basil and 1/2 teaspoon of dried oregano. Stir everything together well. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it cook for about 20 minutes. After simmering, use an immersion blender to blend the soup to your preferred consistency, whether smooth or slightly chunky. We're almost done. For a wonderfully creamy texture and richer flavor, stir in 1/2 cup of heavy cream or coconut milk. Now is the time to season your soup perfectly. Add salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste, and don't forget a small pinch of sugar to balance the acidity of the tomatoes. Gently reheat the soup, being careful not to let it boil once the cream is added. Serve your warm, homemade tomato soup with a side of crusty bread or a classic grilled cheese sandwich. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.